Hello, it's Rifat here, and I am here for discuss a thing with all of you. Most of you used to ask a question regarding EOR that should you do EOR or not. When actually a person will understand that he or she should do EOR or not. I'm going to describe the things today. When a person just participate his or her IELTS exam, that time they can think that they can find out that their exam was good enough or not. For example, in my speaking, I used 4 or 5 phrase and idioms. I use linker, then I use various types of sentence structures, vocab, some rich vocabs I also used, and I was fluent from first to last. So that helped me to get confident that I thought I just give my 100% and I will get like 7.5 or minimum 7, or I will be lucky if I will get 8 then, but I will not get less than 7 in my speaking. So I just realized that after participate in my IELTS exam. So it totally varies person to person. When you will see that you were fluent enough in your speaking but you got 5.5, that time you should do EOR, because those who are fluent enough in their speaking, they can get 6 minimum, because that's the first criteria. No matter how many grammatical mistakes you are going to do, or you use phrase and idioms or not, it's also not a mandatory part. So most of the cases I saw those who were fluent enough in speaking, they used to get 6 minimum. After that, if you get 6 in speakings, and if you were thinking that you will get 7s or 7.5 or minimum 6.5, that time how will you understand that will you get 6.5 after your EOR or not, or 7 or 7.5? As I told you earlier, in my speaking, when I just participated in my speaking, that time I used so many things, like I use phrase and idioms, I use linkers, then sentence structures, some rich vocabs, grammatical mistakes were less. So when I just realized all those things, that no, I didn't make many mistakes by myself, that time I got confidence that no, I should do EOR. Same things go with you also. If you were thinking that your result is not sufficient enough, you deserve more than 6.5 or more than 6, that time you should go for it, because everything's depend on your confidence. So if you are confident enough, then you should go for it, because exam is yours. So if you are confident, then you shouldn't ask from anyone, because you are the person who faced the exam rather than any other person. So you should go for it rather than asking here and there. And in writing, most of we face problems that should we do EOR or not. In case of 5.5 to 6 or 6.5, we usually don't see 7 or 7.5 in writing so easily. And how you can understand that should you do your in writing or not, how actually your writing score can increase. In writing, task 2 we have to write a minimum 250 words, in task 1 150. So first of all you have to fulfill this task achievement 250 words and 150 words in task 1 and task 2 respectively. After that, what you have to do, you have to use some sentence structures, then less grammatical errors, then linkers, some idioms in phrase and idioms in task 2. You have to use all those kind of things so that you can get minimum 6.5 or 6 in writing. Getting 6 or 6.5 is not a piece of cake in writing, but in my case I just follow some writing format. Those who obtain 9 out of 9 or 8.5 or 8, I just follow their structure, and somehow I got my desired score in writing. So you can do for yourself That's how you can obtain a very good score in writing. If you think that no, you already did well by yourself and you just followed all those things by yourself, then you can do it. You should go for it, and I think by that you can get 7 or 6.5 or 6. As I told you previously, everything is depend on your confidence. If you are confident enough, you should go for it rather than waiting, because most of we think that writing, in case of writing or speaking, score will not change much, but it's totally a wrong or false. If you have confidence, if you did well in your exam, then you should go for it, because those who judge, they are also human. They can do error. As a human being, we can do error, and it's possible mostly. So as we have option in our hands, so we shouldn't delay or waste our chance. Go for it and hope for the best. And as I told, some vital points: if you think you did well in your exam, just go for it rather than waste your time. Best of luck.